Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can change the audio output on your Chromebook device. So by default, the audio that is played in the hardware will be using the internal speaker. It's usually just going to be a tiny speaker on your laptop or Chromebook tablet. And if you are not using that and you want to use an external Bluetooth speaker or headphones, for example, then you can absolutely do it. So what you need to do is that you have to connect the device to your Chromebook. So since I'm using a Bluetooth earphones, I'm going to open this clock menu and then turn on Bluetooth. Make sure that it is on. And I actually have I have a earphones that I'm going to turn on, and I will make sure that I'm in the pairing mode. So this is actually a mistake that people a lot of times make, because they are just turning on the headphone, the Bluetooth speaker, but it is not in the pairing mode. It is very important that the device in the pairing mode, otherwise it won't be seen right here in this list. So if you still didn't see the device, then you just need to click the pairing your device option, and hopefully we can see the device that we want to connect. I still didn't see. Oh, okay, there's this one. I'm going to pair it. Okay, now it is connected, and Chromebook will actually notice that it is an audio device and will instantly change the audio output from internal speaker to my Bluetooth earphones. And you can actually adjust the setting here, and also you can click this right arrow to open some settings, and you can see that the output is using these earphones open move by shocks, not internal speaker. So that's how you can basically change the audio output in your Chromebook device, and you can always go back using the internal speaker anytime you want, even though the Bluetooth is still very much connected. So I think it's very convenient, and in many ways this is much more intuitive than Windows settings that just too outdated. So that's one thing that I like from Chromebook. It's just a lot easier to organize and manage. Anyway, that's exactly how you can change the audio output on your Chromebook device. I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.